And now it's time for today's daily forecast with EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martrich.
Good Monday morning to you. It is September 24th, 2018, and we start off with a stalled boundary off to our south. It was there on Sunday also. This is kind of right down here. It's going to start making its way off to the north and east today, and it's going to be, as it does so, it becomes a warm front moving off to the north and east, and that's going to bring us some scattered showers beginning this afternoon from southwest to northeast across the region. For the far northeastern areas, it may just end up mostly cloudy or cloudy, and then that might hold off to the evening. Let's get over the NAM high-res future simulated radar. I'm going to start this off at 1 p.m. You can see in south central Pennsylvania all the way over to Delaware is pretty much your line of showers moving to the north and east. This is 1 p.m. And then we move forward from this point. We get into the mid-afternoon hours, mid to late afternoon. You can see it getting up to about State College, all the way down here to Berks County, Lehigh, maybe getting into Lehigh Valley, and down here to the Delaware Valley, and across parts of South Jersey. And it's going to continue off to the north and east. Again, this is just the initial wave from the warm front moving northeast, and you can see the scattered showers. Not really particularly heavy, except maybe out here in parts of central Pennsylvania could get a little bit steadier action with the front itself, and this is going into the evening hours. And we get into more scattered activity overnight. And once we get late in the night, then it starts to pick up a little bit, and you can see the intensity of rainfall also picks up a little steadier and maybe even heavier at times going into Tuesday morning. So this is late Monday night. Here's Tuesday morning. You can see the pockets of the heavier stuff embedded within this. So you could have some heavier rain Tuesday morning, and then this is 11 a.m. on Tuesday. Here's 2 p.m. though. It does look like it's going to end pretty quickly during the afternoon from west to east, and we will not have to deal with this all day. Just some leftover showers here through the afternoon and the evening should start to dry out a little bit. We just return to cloudy skies. So that's the entire system as far as the warm front is concerned. It's going to be a slow trek northward, and maybe some low pressure enhancement along that warm front that will give us a little bit more in the way of the rainfall department. So most areas see generally an inch out of this, but there could be some areas that see a little bit higher than that in some of those locally heavier rain areas. Okay, and then it's going to be most likely going to favor areas in central Pennsylvania, maybe some elevated areas that'll get into that a little bit higher than an inch. But here is a look at overnight tonight on the globals, and then here you can see the heavy rain moving in. Again, central Pennsylvania is basically the target area for the heavier amounts possible. And then this is Tuesday morning, and then once we get in the afternoon and evening, this is what is left, and then that's going to taper off, and we should have a mainly dry overnight period on Tuesday night, and then we're going to have another, the trailing cold front moving through the region here later in the afternoon and evening on Wednesday. Could bring some scattered showers and thunderstorms, but it should be moving through pretty uniformly, and we don't have to deal with this beyond Wednesday evening. So we'll have improving skies overnight, and then high pressure is going to move in here for Thursday, and we're going back to partly cloudy skies. So it should be a nice day here on Thursday, and no precipitation to deal with. We're going to actually have temperatures behind this front going back down to seasonable levels, maybe lower 70s for highs. And it looks like lower 70s are going to hang right through the weekend as far as high temperatures go, pretty much everywhere across the region. And the only chance for precipitation is going to be very, very minor chances. I mean, we have a 20% chance of a quick shower here on Friday. Not a real big deal. Most areas are not going to see anything at all. And here's the rest of Friday, and then we get to Saturday. Mostly sunny skies are expected Saturday with high pressure and control. And then once we get to Sunday, another stray shower possible. This little backdoor front moving off from the north, but it's going to lose its punch coming down to the south is what it's projected to do right now. So maybe just a stray shower here Sunday, but otherwise partly cloudy skies on Sunday. So we do have the prospects going forward. Does look a lot better for a drier pattern once we get beyond this rain on Tuesday, and once it's completed Tuesday afternoon. But it will be a wet go at it. It looks like later today with the shower starting, and then a steadier rain moving in overnight and continuing most of Tuesday. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for September 24th, 2018. Have a great Monday.